Hi, Morgan with Event Answer here to share with you 5 unusual things that I keep in my event kit that I wouldn't throw an event without. Let's jump right into those and see if they'll help your next event. The first item I wouldn't leave home without for my next event is pipe cleaners. These are also known as chenille stems in the event world, but most people know them as pipe cleaners that their kids, will make little curlicues with, all kinds of little things. But this has gotten me out of so many jams at an event. I use them to secure greenery. You can tie things off without causing damage to flowers or whatever you're attaching them to. I've put these on railings or hung them up from the ceilings, and you don't cause damage to the items you're hanging them with. So I never leave home without my pipe cleaners. The second unusual item that I always keep in my event kit are binder clips. These you can find in the office supply section of any store. They're super cheap, but they have a multitude of purposes. A lot of times I'll use these on a backdrop that isn't staying closed, like a pipe and drape, or if you've got paper backdrops that won't quite align. If you take a binder clip from the back and clip it together, you'll be able to keep that together without it being seen from the front. The second thing I love these for is if you have a drop-down ceiling at your event venue. If you just push up the acoustic tiles and attach these to the metal strip that holds those tiles in, you can take monofilament or string or whatever and hang your prop from that drop-down ceiling using binder clips. And these come in all different kinds of colors. Black is what you usually find, but you can get them in white or multicolor, whatever you need to match your next event. Binder clips is something that I never leave home without. The third unusual item that I keep in my event kit is a hot glue gun. I wouldn't leave home without this in my event kit. You never know when things are going to break and you need to do a quick patch job. I just recently had a holiday event that I was doing, and one of the main props that I had on my stage lost a piece. So I just whipped out my hot glue gun, glued it back on and stuck it, and it was good for the rest of the event, and I didn't have to worry about someone bumping into it and it falling off. Along with the glue gun, always make sure you've got plenty of glue sticks. Never get caught short on glue sticks. Morgan here, and I just wanted to take a moment to thank all of the subscribers to the Event Answer channel. This project has only been made possible by subscribers like you for encouraging this content. I've been an event planner for more than 5 years now, and when I first started, it was hard to find information about how to put on an event and how to do it really professionally. And so it's always been my dream to share the knowledge that I've learned over the last couple of years with event planners who are just getting started, and this YouTube channel has been a product of that. So I want to thank all of the subscribers to the YouTube channel for being a support to this project. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that red button below and turn on the notification bell. I would love to hear from you. If you're just getting started in the event planning industry and have questions, leave them in the comments below. I want to hear about them, and hopefully I can answer some of your questions. If there's projects that you want to see or learn how to do, put them below and I would love to do them for you. So thanks for subscribing, and let's get back into it. The fourth item in my event kit that is really unusual is monofilament, or fishing line. You can find this in the outdoor section of your local store or hardware store, but this stuff is great. You probably almost can't see this on camera, and that's the whole point. I use this a lot of time when I'm hanging props that I need to make look like they're levitating and you can't see the mechanism that's holding it in place. So I've hung paper lanterns with this, I've hung fake candles with it, like if you're doing a Harry Potter event. I've hung flower arrangements, all kinds of things, and this is a fantastic way to do it without being able to see it from a distance. So never leave home without fishing line. The fifth unusual thing that I keep in my event kit is something like Goo Gun or any kind of Goo Remover. Never fails that you have brand new glass vases that you've bought for this event, and you have to get the price tags off the bottom before you even get started. And when you're trying to get those price tags off, you pull them off and half of it gets stuck there, and you've got to figure out how to get these off. And so I always turn to something like Goo Gun. You put a little bit of this on the price tag or a paper towel and you rub on it, and it'll pull up all that sticky, nasty mess that's always left behind. And this makes your glass pieces look brand new and ready to go. You always want to follow up something like this with a little bit of glass cleaner because it does leave an oily residue, but I would not get caught at an event without this. These have been my top 5 most unusual items that I keep in my event kit and honestly wouldn't be able to put on events without. What do you keep in your event kit? Is there something that you think is weird or unusual that helps you put on an event? I want to hear about it. Put it in the comments below. What kind of cool things do you keep in your event kit? And let's go forward with this. If you'd like to see what I keep in the whole box that I take with me to every event, let me know below and I would love to show it to you. So thanks for watching today and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye!